How to do a break-even analysis easily with Excel AI. Break-even analysis in Excel? Manually entering data and writing formulas. It's time-consuming and a headache. Free trial of excelmatic. Step 1. Log into excelmatic. Step 2. Upload Excel data file. Step 3. Enter directly into the dialog box. Calculate break-even point. Ask a direct question and excelmatic does the math in a flash. See break-even points, visualize profit trends, and get actionable recommendations. No formulas, zero errors. Clicking on the graphs also gives you a clear view of the corresponding data. Finally, you can also download the form to a different format locally. Say goodbye to cumbersome forms. Reinvent your financial planning with excelmatic. Try excelmatic for free.